Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss the 19th chapter of The Prisoner of Zenda, and the name of the chapter is Face to Face and the Forest. Dear students, in last chapter we discussed that the Rysendal was inside the castle. He killed the three companions of the Black Michael, and Black Michael had a clash with Rupert, and at that point we didn't know that whether he had killed the Black Michael or not. But in the beginning of this chapter, and in fact in this chapter, we will come to know that what had happened there. So when Rysendal was coming out there, he saw that the Rupert was standing in the middle of the drawbridge, and Lady Muban on the other side, and some other servants of Black Michael, 5, 6, they were all there, and they were standing there, pale, agitated, and they all were afraid. And Rupert standing on the middle of the drawbridge, he was laughing and he was shouting at the Black Michael that, Black Michael, if you can stand, come out and let's have a fight. And on the other side, Rysendal said that when he came out of that cellar, he has got an wonderful opportunity to kill the Rupert. In fact, he aimed his revolver at Rupert and he wanted to kill. Then he realized that that will be a coward act because Rupert was looking on the other side of the castle and killing him from back, from behind. He said that that was not the act of the man, so he didn't kill. But there the Rupert was again and again shouting that, oh dog, the bastard Black Michael, come out and let's have a fight. Then the Lady Muban, out of fear, out of pain, she cried that he cannot come out because Black Michael is dead. So, dear student, in 19th chapter, at this point, we come to know that the Black Michael is killed, and the killer of the Black Michael is none else but his own companion, his own friend, that is Rupert. Then Rupert said that I knew that I attacked him and he must have died. So there he was standing there and again he was laughing. The other companions, the servants of Black Michael, they were afraid and they dared not to come forward and they dared not to attack the Rupert, but they were standing there. Then Lady Muban, what she did, she tried to kill the Rupert. She had the revolver in her hand and she was aiming at the Rupert. And when she fired, she missed it. Certainly, she was not expert in the gun work or firing. So the Rupert was again and again laughing. Then she tried again when she was taking the second aim. Then the Rupert started moving, and at this point, Rysendal tells that his companions, there was the noise, there was the voice on the other side of the castle. In fact, the Fids and Sept, they all had entered inside the castle. Then within few moments, Rysendal saw that the Sept also reached there and he was crying that the Black Michael, the Duke of the Streltsau, is killed. And when he was trying to capture, when he was trying to get the Rupert, then what Rupert did, he threw himself into the moat and gently and slowly he started swimming towards the bank. And there, Rysendal also started to chase him, to follow him. So the Rupert was going towards the bank of that river and the Rysendal was following him. Then all of a sudden, when Rupert saw the Rysendal first time there, then he said how he is there. Then somehow the Rupert reached the bank and the rope there, rope was already there. The Rysendal had tied it. So with the help of that rope, the Rupert climbed and he had a sword in his hand and he went out and Rysendal was following him and they both were in the forest and Rysendal was chasing him and Rupert was running away from him. So they were moving and the Rupert was hiding himself and again he was coming out of those trees and he was actually teasing the Rysendal. So within few moments, Rysendal tells that the Rupert was out of his sight and Rysendal believed that he ran away from there. But again within few moments, he heard the cries of a little girl. So then he saw that there was a little girl with a horse, and she had got a basket, maybe some fruits or flowers she was going to sell in the market. And what Rupert did, he snatched the horse from that little girl, and he mounted on the horse. Though he gave a little money to that girl, but he snatched the horse from the girl, and again he started to chase the Rosendal, and he was trying to kill the Rosendal there. And Rosendal has the same intention. Rosendal wanted to kill the last companion of the Black Michael, that was Rupert. So they were wandering here and there. The both Rosendal and Rupert, they were running and wandering in the forest. Both were trying to kill each other. When they were running and wandering there, the Rupert came closer to Rosendal, and he asked Rosendal that what were you doing inside the castle? Why you were there? Then the Rosendal answered that I killed 3 of your friends. Then Rupert asked that did you went inside the cell where the king was kept? He said that yes, I went there and I killed your companion. Then he asked, is king alive? He said perhaps the king is alive, but he's not sure because he was injured and he was not in good health. So again they both tried to kill each other. They were again sword to sword. The Rupert was on the horse and the Rosendal was there. Then all of the sudden the Sept and Fritz, they were also following the Rosendal. When they reached there and Rupert saw that they have arrived there, then Rupert realized that it is now difficult for him to kill the Rosendal, and perhaps he may be killed himself. So realizing the danger towards his life, he escaped from there and he was never seen again in this novel. So when Sept and the Fritz, they reached there, in fact it was the Fritz first who reached there, then the Rosendal asked Fritz to chase the Rupert and try to kill him. But the Rupert saw that the Rosendal was injured, so he was taking care of him. Then the Rosendal asked from the Fritz that was the king alive inside the castle. Then his answer is that yes, the king is alive. So here the chapter number 19 also ends. Dear student, we must come to know here that the Black Michael is killed. The all other companions of Black Michael except the Rupert, they are also killed, but Rupert, he has left the ground and he ran away from there. And we also know that the original king who was inside the cell of Black Michael is also alive. So here the chapter ends, and now what will happen in next 3 chapters, we will discuss them very soon. And so far we are at the following action, the things we see that they are setting down. The Black Michael is killed, his companions are killed. Now we will see that how the Rosendal is dealing with Princess Flavia and with the original king. Soon in next chapter we will discuss it. Thank you very much for watching. We will meet in next chapter very soon. Till then, goodbye.